Hi, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics, bringing you another law of attraction metaphysical lesson. Today I want to speak to you about reprogramming your subconscious mind while sleeping. You're probably saying, okay, Eyvette, what do you have to say now? You know, everybody, I try to bring you guys all the most updated information to help change your life. So today, we're going to talk about what is it you need to be doing to reprogram your subconscious mind, especially while sleeping. Now, one thing I would like to tell everybody, and if you don't get anything else out of this video, I want you to make sure you get this. Do not let sleep fall on you in a bad mood. If you don't get anything else that I've been saying in all of my videos, do not allow sleep to fall on you in a bad mood. Why I'm saying it's important to reprogram your mind at night is because you have a lot of things going through your mind every single minute of the day. Every single second, you're always thinking of something. Now, when you're trying to manifest things during the day, a lot of times those thoughts that are flowing through your mind every second is causing some type of blockage from you trying to manifest the things in your life. Like you may say, I am attracting money right now. And deep down inside, you may be saying, I know that's not true. And even if you're not aware of it, it's happening. We're all human. And inside of us, we have these deep internal thoughts that are actually blocking us from getting to where we need to be. That's why I tell people, again, people, mirror work. Work on those deep down rooted beliefs that you have about yourself to open up to allow greater things to come to you. Now let's get back to reprogramming your subconscious mind while you're sleeping. Now, what I would like to say, when you go to sleep or when you're about to go to sleep, your conscious mind loses more control of what's going on in your mind. At that time, your subconscious mind, the part of your mind that does most of the work in the background, is now moving forward and taking over. Now, if you know anything about the subconscious mind, you know the subconscious mind controls about 90, if not more, of whatever's going on in your life. It controls your breathing. It controls your heart rate. It controls your sweating, your blinking. It does all of these things in the background without you ever acknowledging. Now, let me explain to you about that subconscious mind. That subconscious mind is also giving you what you experience in your life. It is actually taking in everything that the conscious mind is giving it, and it is sending it out like a vibration to the universe to bring to you what it is you're focusing on. So why is it important to work on reprogramming your subconscious mind while you're sleeping? Well, that is the best time to say, okay, conscious mind, you're not in control. Take your little dirty thoughts or whatever's going on in that little head of yours and move out of the way. This is the time that I'm dealing totally with the subconscious mind. Now, how are you going to do that? You're going to do that at a time where you are limiting the control of the conscious mind, either by meditation, mainly by sleeping. So that's a very important, crucial part that you need to focus on when it comes down to manifesting in your life. Never fall asleep with something negative on your mind before you go to sleep, because your subconscious is going to take that last 5-minute thought and it's going to process it and send it out to the universe. Now, listen, you might say, my thought was, I don't want to be in my relationship anymore. It's very bad. The subconscious mind don't know good or bad. It just knows what you're focusing on. So it's going to take what you are focusing on, send that out to the universe, and it's going to bring you back that same vibration back into your life. Maybe not in the form of the one you're in if you get out of that situation, but it's going to bring back to you another situation that's going to give you those same feelings. So how do you reprogram your subconscious mind while sleeping? Those last 5 minutes, 10 minutes before you fall asleep, you're in the bed, you're relaxed. You done did everything that you needed to do. As you lie in your bed, that's when you start your positive affirmations. Those thoughts would be, thank you, God, for blessing me with my house. Thank you, God, for blessing me with my car. Thank you, God, for blessing me with my health. Thank you, God, for the abundance you just blessed me with. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Whatever it is that you are feeling, that you are desiring, this is the time to implant in your mind what it is you want to send out to the universe. Another thing, by doing affirmations 5 minutes before you go to bed, that is the last thing you are giving to your subconscious mind. And let me tell you this, it reaches the subconscious mind faster than any other time of the day because the conscious mind is now going to sleep. This can also be done before you get out of bed and start your day, and again before you end your day while you're getting ready to go to sleep. It's that first 5 minutes going to sleep and that 5 minutes coming out of sleep is when you want to program your subconscious mind. These are the times where you're going to get the least amount of interference from your conscious mind, from your conscious thoughts. Now, why is it that the subconscious mind is so much in control of what goes on in your life? Your subconscious mind is like the genie. It's like the genie in the lamp. It's like a gift from God saying, hey, look, I'm going to give you something that is going to make your dreams come true. There is absolutely nothing you can't do with this gift I am giving you. And it is whatever you think about, whatever you feel passionate about with the emotion. The more emotions, the more you're going to impress on the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind follows your thoughts and your feelings. Okay? Your thoughts going to create your feelings, and it's going to impress on the subconscious mind, and the subconscious mind only knows, let me give you what you want. Your wish is my command. And it sends it out to the universe to attract like vibrations back to you. Yes. So this is actually a gift. So what it is if things are coming to you in a bad way, it's coming because you are not using your gift correctly. Okay? Now, let me tell you this. The last 5 minutes of your awaking hours, your awaking minutes, you do your affirmations at that time. You do your visualization on that time. Don't let sleep catch you in a bad mood. If you're in a bad mood, find a way to get out of that bad mood. This is the time where you're going to impress upon your subconscious mind to bring all the things in your life that you desire. If you're watching TV, do not end the last 5 minutes, for me, not even the last hour, with something scary, with something horrible, with some kind of killing. Do not get in an argument with your boyfriend 5 minutes before you go to bed. Because that is the time you're sending that out to the universe. Listen, what I do, I try to find me some nice music and I play me some music. Music always increases your vibration depending on what you're listening to. But let me just tell you this. No matter what you're listening to, if your mood is improving or increasing and you're happy, it doesn't matter. As long as you're happy before you fall asleep, that's what matters. Reprogramming your subconscious mind while sleeping is one of the most important things that you can do if you're trying to be a deliberate creator. Take it from me, people. Don't let sleep catch you in a bad mood. Use your visualization, your affirmations while in bed that 5 minutes before I'm going to sleep. It's almost like hypnosis, people. You want to hypnotize your subconscious mind into thinking and believing whatever it is you're thinking of that 5 minutes before you go to sleep. If you like this video, please like it, please subscribe, please hit that bell if you haven't already. And listen, you can follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can also buy crystals and metaphysical items at store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Listen, this is Eyvette. We just spoke about reprogramming your subconscious mind while sleeping. Namaste.